In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Uptodown App Store install problem. If apps aren't installing from Uptodown, follow along as we go through a set of reliable fixes in the right order so you don't waste time guessing. First, let's make sure your internet connection is solid, confirm your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that the signal is stable, because APK downloads need a steady link to complete properly. If a download gets stuck, swipe down the notification bar, turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network. It also helps to restart both your phone and your Wi-Fi router to clear any temporary glitches. Then try downloading a small app from Uptodown as a quick test. If that installs, you've likely fixed a weak or unstable network issue. Next, clear the Uptodown app cache on your Android device, open Settings, scroll to Apps and tap Manage Apps or All Apps. Find Uptodown, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache, then confirm. This doesn't delete your downloaded files, it just removes temporary data that may be causing installation errors. Reopen Uptodown and try installing the app again. Now check your available storage space. Open Settings and use the search bar to look for storage. Review your internal storage and free up space if you're running low. Deleting unused apps, large videos, or unnecessary files can make a big difference. Aim to keep at least 1 GB free. Keep in mind that most apps install to internal storage even if you have an SD card, so clearing internal space is important. If your phone includes a built-in cleaning tool, run it to remove junk files, temporary data, and unused cache in one go. This automated cleanup can quickly free space and resolve minor conflicts. After cleaning, head back to Uptodown and retry the installation. Before we wrap up, a couple of compatibility checks can save you time. Make sure the APK version you downloaded supports your Android version and device. Also verify the download completed fully. If you're unsure, delete the APK file and re-download it completely. Avoid interrupting downloads midway. Let them finish over a stable connection. Most Uptodown installation issues come down to a weak internet connection, app cache problems, low internal storage, or incompatible APK versions. Tackle these, and your apps should install smoothly again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more app-related tips and tutorials.